Hi guys, I am out again. This time it is me that's sick, so I'm sorry. Let's take a look at today's agenda. We're going to start with binder check, Wolverine time. You'll do that with a partner like usual. Study for vocab 15, our last vocab quiz, and then the remainder of the period you'll have to workshop what you might need to do. So you can do study groups like an informal tutorial. You can revise notes, work on classwork, Khan Academy for SAT prep. Read Lord of the Flies chapter 12, that's due tomorrow. Just notes where you're pulling CDs, no EQ. And because it is a workshop time, be sure you're making decisions that help you get into college. So no phones out unless permitted. Go ahead and ask if you need to use your phone for something academic. And let's keep the social aspect, especially social media, out of the room for today, so you're using your time wisely. Okay, so dear substitute, please let students do their binder check with a partner. Guys, turn in your binder check sheet to our class tray when you're done so I can get those grades in for you. And go ahead and pause this video. When kids have their binder check into the class tray, please play the video and we'll work on parts of speech. While you guys are doing your binder check, also go ahead and take out your 4-year plan and most recent transcript. Just have those ready to go. Miss Berner is here today. She'll be pulling you into the hall one at a time to go over your junior year choices. Now is a great time to ask those questions that you may have specifically about your class choices and college. So go ahead and pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to move on to parts of speech. Okay, so at this point you should have done your binder check and have your binder check sheet turned into our class tray. You should have your 4-year plan and transcript out and ready for when Miss Berner chooses to pull you out. Let's go ahead and work on parts of speech. So on a sticky note or a scrap sheet of paper, you're not going to turn this in. Do not use your phone and see if you can identify the parts of speech for these 4 words. Please write sentences and diagram them. You can work with a partner if that chooses. If you choose, the idea is to mimic the way you would on the test. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video, give students a minute to work, and then we'll go over answers. Okay, let's take a look at answers. So critique can be used as a noun or a verb because a critique can be something that you give someone. So I gave Bella a critique of her essay, so that would be a noun because it's like a thing that I'm giving her. Or you can use it like I critiqued Bella's essay, and in that case critiqued is the action, which makes it a verb. Construct is the same way, or depending on how you say it, construct. So I can construct a building, that's a verb, or I can describe the construct of love that only ends in heartbreak, which means it's like an idea, which is a noun. Evidently is an adverb, so a sentence you might use for that is evidently she thought things would be different. Evidently describes how she thought about it. So thought is a verb, evidently describes a verb, which makes it an adverb. Effective is an adjective because it describes a noun. So this video was very effective because it gave clear instructions. Effective describes the video, which is a noun. Okay, so at this point, go ahead and either toss your sticky notes or just go ahead and keep that piece of paper. I don't need you to turn them in. Please make a note if you need to study a little bit more for Friday's quiz. Let's move into workshops. Again, please make wise choices that are going to help you get into college and succeed academically. Let's keep social media out of the room. Have a great day, guys.